Hi there! Welcome to this short guide on getting your course approved for the Kahoot Marketplace. When creating your course, start by adding a title that is both descriptive and catchy, as this will aid others in finding your course. After crafting your title, click on the Settings icon to input the basic course information. Your course should have a detailed description. In the description field, include essential details such as age range, grade level, topics covered, and the course's purpose. Remember to incorporate hashtags and keywords that you would use to search for your course. Additionally, select the topics that best describe your course and specify its intended audience. It's also crucial to select the language of your course. Next, navigate to the Design section. To get your course approved for the Marketplace, you must add at least 2 preview images. These images will offer potential buyers a better understanding of your course. We recommend including a course preview image so learners know what to expect. Ensure that all images used in the Kahoots, stories, and slides in your course are copyright-free. Images of celebrities, cartoon characters, brand logos, etc. won't be accepted. You may use images from Getty and Unsplash libraries, provided they are not copyrighted. Next, add resources that may be useful for running the course. These resources can be downloaded and printed. If your course includes any documents as activities, they should also be added here. You can decide whether these documents should be visible to learners and whether they should be downloadable. The next step is to set your course's visibility. Ensure your course is public so it can be viewed on the Marketplace. Your course should offer more than just one Kahoot. To get your course approved for the Marketplace, it needs to provide a comprehensive learning experience. When your course is ready, save it and list it for Kahoot Marketplace. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!